Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to make your website type appear as personal on the LinkedIn app when using it on your PC. LinkedIn recently rolled out updates that changed where some settings are located, so let's walk through the process together. First, open up the LinkedIn app on your computer. Once you're inside, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the Me icon, which is your profile picture. Click on that. From the drop-down menu, head straight into Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage most of the personal and professional information connected to your profile. When you're inside, go to the section called Account Preferences. Now, under Profile Information, you'll find different areas for updating your details. You want to click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section houses the basic details about who you are and where you work. But most importantly, it also connects to your contact information. Next, under Contact Info, click on Edit Contact Info. This will open up a new window where all the websites, emails, and other ways people can reach you are located. Scroll down until you see the website that you would like to customize. Once you've found that website, you'll notice an option that allows you to choose the website type. From the drop-down list, select Personal. This ensures that LinkedIn labels your website correctly and makes it clear that the link you are sharing is for personal use rather than for a business, school, or company. After making your choice, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. Without saving, your changes won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully updated your website type to personal on the LinkedIn app using your PC. This simple adjustment helps people better understand the kind of website you're sharing and keeps your profile information organized the way you want it. If this walkthrough helped you, give it a try right now and make sure your LinkedIn profile reflects exactly what you want others to see.